Good morning, it's Rosemary from the Corner Shop NZ, and this morning I thought I'd show you one of my incredible failures. We've got a few, but this was one I'm going to share with you. In the front of my house on the cobblestones, all the rooms open onto the front of the house with sliding doors, and I've divided each room with their own little collection of potted plants, but I'm not going to show you what I've got in the other room. And there's my little rusty washing line I dry the lavender on. The other day I noticed that on this olive tree, and it happens all the time, I've got scale insect, and there's heaps and heaps and heaps of ants. Look, see the little lumpy things? See the scaly insects marching up and down. I do have, I think you can see it, an ant container with poison in the bottom usually, but the supermarket had run out of the one I use, so I decided that I'd spray it with what I thought was detergent and water. That's what it smelt like, and I must have sprayed this one too by what do you call collateral damage. This is a gorgeous one that's in this section here where I've got all these blue containers, and I'm not quite so sure what was in the spray bottle. It was in the bathroom cupboard, because look, oh drat, all the leaves are falling off my olive tree. There isn't a sign of an ant, although the new leaves on the olive tree look as though they're still all right. And this, what was really quite gorgeous, like, here we go. Over here it's particularly bare, so there you go. Not everything that happens around the Corner Shop NZ is good stuff. Some of it indicates that we might perhaps be a little dir-brained. So I hope wherever you are, you're having a happy day, and that you're safe, and be kind, be happy, aroha nui, kia kaha, and we'll see you again. Bye now.